To use a bank account instead of Venmo balance, start by opening the Venmo app and navigating to the Settings or Menu section. Look for the option that says Payment Methods or Bank Accounts and select it. You will see a list of your linked payment methods, including your Venmo balance and any linked bank accounts or credit cards. Select the option to add a bank account if you have not already done so. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including the routing number and account number. You can find this information on a check or by contacting your bank. Once you have added your bank account, you can set it as your default payment method. To do this, go back to the Payment Methods section and select the bank account you just added. You will see an option to set it as the default. Select this option to make your bank account the primary payment method. When you make a payment using Venmo, the app will now use your bank account instead of your Venmo balance. Keep in mind that it may take a few days for the payment to process, as the funds need to be transferred from your bank account. It is also important to note that using a bank account instead of Venmo balance can help you avoid fees associated with instant transfers. When you use your Venmo balance, you can transfer the funds to your bank account instantly, but this often comes with a fee. By using your bank account directly, you can avoid this fee and save money. In addition to avoiding fees, using a bank account instead of Venmo balance can also help you keep track of your spending. When you use your bank account, the payments will appear on your bank statement, making it easier to keep track of your transactions. To get the most out of using a bank account with Venmo, make sure to keep your bank account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. This will help you avoid any issues with payments and ensure that your transactions are processed smoothly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use a bank account instead of Venmo balance and take advantage of the benefits it has to offer. This can help you save money, keep track of your spending, and make the most out of your Venmo account.